In 2025, part-time jobs offer an excellent way to earn extra money while maintaining flexibility. With the rise of remote work and digital platforms, individuals can now find numerous opportunities suited to their skills and interests. One of the best part-time jobs is freelancing, which includes writing, graphic design, and programming. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow professionals to take on projects at their convenience. Another great option is online tutoring, where educators can teach subjects like math, science, or languages through websites such as VIPKid and Chegg. For those who prefer offline work, delivery driving with apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash is a profitable choice, especially in urban areas. Retail and customer service roles remain popular for students and those seeking flexible shifts. Additionally, social media management and content creation have gained traction, as businesses seek digital marketing support. Gig economy jobs like pet sitting, babysitting, and event staffing provide extra income with minimal commitment. Lastly, investing in passive income streams such as affiliate marketing or selling digital products can long-term earnings. With the right strategy, part-time jobs in 2025 can help individuals achieve financial stability while balancing personal and professional commitments. For applying part-time job, check the description box, then click the link and apply. If you like this video, please put a comment and subscribe my channel for more update.